pwede mag-hello kayo muna at introduce nyo yung group nyo?
Sige po. Yes, sir.
Go!
7-8 beyond Acer! Hello po.
Woo! So, how long has been the group Acer?
I think it's been 1 year na po since our group started.
1 year!
Yes po.
Alright, so where can we see your activities? Which platform?
So, bukas po, or mamayang 12 p.m., marirelease na po ang aming debut song, which is Bingo. So, sana po abangan niyo po kaming lahat. And yeah, bukas din po magkita-kita tayo sa Robinson's Metro East Batch, aming debut mall show. And yeah, thank you so much po for having us.
Ayan. Does anyone else want to say anything? Ibang members? Invite nyo sa birthday ng kapatid nyo,
Of course, this wouldn't be possible without you, the host, the staffs, and sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng whole show na ito, ng event mo na ito, ang Eternal Youth Ticket na whole show ng WIV.
Yes, WIV. Yeah.
We are looking forward also to collaborate with them if possible, and in the future. And of course, sa lahat po ng mga babies na nandito ngayon! Sila po yung mga babies na nandito, and of course, sa fandoms po ng WIV. It's really nice to meet you po, and we hope to see you also in our events. Especially bukas, meron na po, mag-debut na po kami bukas finally. And
Wow! Congrats!
it's a dream come true po. Kaya thank you so much po.
Saan? Well, so where can we see your debut moment? Again.
Mami, at bukas po may debut motion po kami sa yeah, bukas po.
Di mo alam.
Also, we're also going to debut tomorrow on the national TV. Ayan, sa All Out Sundays. Ayan, abangan niyo din po kami bukas sa All Out Sundays, 12 noon. And after that, 6 p.m. nandun po kami sa Robinson's Metro East, which is katabi lang nitong mall na to.
Alright! Okay, so congratulations, first of all. The P-Pop's future is bright with Aster, am I right, babies? Alright, so I'll see you guys tomorrow on your debut, moment. I wish I could be there, So ayan, palakpakan natin po ulit ang Aster!
Salamat po!
Can you guys say exit?
babies!